welcome to my channel Self Study with Tejas. Today we are going to solve remaining part of chapter 7 India Our Heritage from ISSO workbook. So let's start. So 22nd question, Mohini's teacher told her to write 4 pairs of dance forms, each consisting one classical dance and one folk dance. By mistake, Mohini made a wrong pair. Identify it. So Odissi and Garba. So this is correct because Odissi is a classical dance and Garba is a folk dance. Then Kathak and Chow. So this is also correct because Kathak is a classical dance and Chow is a folk dance. Then Kuchipudi and Bhangra. So this is correct because Kuchipudi is a classical dance and Bhangra is a folk dance. Then Manipuri and Kathakali both are classical dance. So this is the wrong pair. Then 23rd question, the food item shown in the given picture belongs to, so this is dal bati churma and it is the famous dish of Rajasthan. So see, Rajasthan is the correct answer. Then 24th question, the Missionaries of Charity is an organization that works towards helping the poor. Who founded this organization? So this organization is founded by Mother Teresa. So B, Mother Teresa is the correct answer. So 25th question, which of the following places is not a tourist attraction of Kolkata? So Alipur Zoo, Salt Lake Stadium and Birla Planetarium all are tourist attraction of Kolkata, but Elliott's Beach is tourist attraction of Chennai. So B is the correct answer. Then 26th question, who among the following was a famous Carnatic singer? So M.S. Shubhalakshmi was a famous Carnatic singer. So A is the correct answer. So 27th question, which of the following instrument is used mostly in Hindustani classical style of music? So harmonium, sitar and tabla all are used in Hindustani classical style of music, means D, all of this is the correct answer. Then 28th question, Gujarat is famous for which of the following food items? So Gujarat is famous for dhokla. So B, dhokla is the correct answer. So 29th question, Golconda Fort is situated in Hyderabad. So C, Hyderabad is the correct answer. Then 30th question, Renu made a list of places and famous tourist attractions located there. While making the list, she made a few mistakes. Find them and select the correct option. So Hyderabad, Mecca Masjid. So this is correct. Then Ahmedabad, Sabarmati Ashram. So this is also correct. Then Bangalore, Kamakhya Temple. So this is wrong because Kamakhya Temple is in Guwahati. Then Bhopal, Lalbagh Botanical Garden. So this is also wrong because Lalbagh Botanical Garden is situated in Bangalore. Then 5th, Chandigarh Rock Garden. So this is also correct, means 3 and 4 only is the correct answer. So 31st question, the botanical garden in Dash has a huge 250-year-old banyan tree. Its branches are spread over a very large area. So the botanical garden in Bangalore has a huge 250-year-old banyan tree. So C, Bangalore is the correct answer. Then 32nd question, Rupali took a part in a fancy dress competition. She dressed up in the traditional dress of an Indian state. Her costume belongs to, so this is Nawari sari and it belongs to Maharashtra. So see, Maharashtra is the correct answer. Then 33rd question, it is an Indian monument built by Emperor Shah Jahan. Its main gate is called the Lahori Gate, but because it faces the city of Lahore, now in Pakistan. Which monument is it? So it is Lal Killa. So B, Lal Killa is the correct answer. So 34th question, study the given relationship and select the correct option to fill in the blank. So Kolkata has Birla Planetarium. So Mumbai has Nehru Planetarium. So Nehru Planetarium is the correct answer. Then 35th question, who wrote Panchatattva? So Vishnu Sharma wrote the Panchatattva. So C, Vishnu Sharma is the correct answer. Then 36th question, which of the following cannot be found in the given word grid? So state in which Nayar Wildlife Sanctuary is situated. So it is situated in Kerala, but Kerala is not in the given word grid. So B option, male counterpart of Giddha dance is Bhangra. So here is Bhangra. So third option, state which occupies the lush green lowlands of the Brahmaputra valley. So it is situated in Assam. So here is Assam. Then fourth option, the main seasonal river of Haryana. So it is Ghaggar. So here is Ghaggar. So A is not in the given word grid, means A is the correct answer. Then 37th question, match the columns and select the correct option. So Mukteshwara temple, Odisha. Then Lotus temple, New Delhi. Vikram Sarabhai Space Center, Kerala. And then Kite Museum, Gujarat. So A3, so here is A3. Then B1, so here is B1. Then C4, so here is C4. And then D1, so D2, so here is D2, means A is the correct answer. So 30th question, refer to the given Venn diagram and select the option that correctly identifies X, Y and Z. So X is traditional dress of India, one in Kolkata and one by woman in Tamil Nadu, so that is sari. Then Y is one in Kolkata and traditional dress of India, so that is dhoti. And then Z is traditional dress of India and one woman in Tamil Nadu, so that is Pattu Pavadai, so means C is the correct answer. So 39th question, read the given statement and select the option that correctly identifies them as true and false ones. So Sarojini Naidu was the first woman to be elected as the governor of an Indian state, so this is true. Then Sonal Mansingh is a famous Kathakali dancer, so this is false because Sonal Mansingh is a famous Odissi dancer, so this is false. Then Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel is known as the Iron Man of India, so this is true. Then Mangal Pandey taught the people of India the way of non-violent struggle, which he called Satyagraha, so this is false because Mahatma Gandhi taught people of India the way of non-violent struggle, which he called Satyagraha, means false. So here is true false means D is the correct answer. Then 40th question, unscramble the given letters to obtain the name of a dance form. So this is Bharatnatyam. Then now select the option that has the name of a personality who was famous for this dance form. So Rukmini Dev Arundale was famous for Bharatnatyam dance, so C is the correct answer. So फ्रेंड्स, अगर आपको हमारा वीडियो पसंद आया हो तो लाइक शेयर और सब्सक्राइब जरूर करना. थैंक यू.